Oh, it went. He went straight down, man. He don't get through. Come down. Oh, you want to see what there? Which way are you walking? So the path is...
Come, Sophie.
Coming up with Brendan. A bunch of stuff remain all green. And he's coming out of the river. No, when you went to...
Let's go.
Hello. Hello. Watch this man's shoes right here now. and he even reached the Mud Volcano.
Almost it.
He's going to take a picture of all of us standing by it. My favorite clothes messed up.
It's bubbling. Yeah.
Is it your battery?
Is that cool idea? So we better dive in from the top here?
Apparently.
And drop back down?
Like dive? Apparently.
This is not our first time, right?
No, it's not our first time. This is the first time we've been here with people. Apparently.
Sit. Right. Yeah. Take your time, Ronaldo. Take your time. Yeah. Sit down on the bottom. Keelan, sit down on the bottom. Yeah.
Wow.
Watch him in all your eye, eh?
Because I'm a ball, so you can do the other side. Up here, right?
Can I go and be on YouTube? It looks like to be on YouTube. Yes. I'm going to make sure Daddy does not put this on YouTube. I'm going to stop myself if I have to.
Just like that. No. Cara, don't try to get up. You'll damage yourself. Stay inside. Slide on. Nice.
You're not doing it.